Hello everybody and welcome to a new, devlog I guess. So it's been a while since I have done one. I worked on quite a few things during this past month. Not really a lot of progress, but still quite some stuff I have worked on. I have set my own Twitch, which you can check it in the link in the description, and I'm going to do some streams there. I'm going to play some games. I'm going to show like how I work on the game, like how I do pixel art and yeah, stuff like that. And yeah, I have also started working on creating sound effects, and music, sleep music. I have been using FL Studio to create some stuff. And yeah, here is some of the stuff I have worked on the game. So for starters, I have created, as you can see already, this nice effect on top of the screen. So it looks more like an arcade game. Oh, go away, no. Looks more like an arcade game. It appears like it makes these lines appear on the screen. It also makes like the edges, as you can see in the corners, to be kind of like I don't know, like those old screens, you know, or those old arcade screens. And I think it looks quite well. It works quite well with the thematic of the game. Of course, I'll make an option to deactivate this in the settings of the game, so that it looks normal and it doesn't cause like dementia to people. And yeah, I have created another thing that is already visible. Well, two things. I have blocked some of the weapons so that you start with the default weapon in the first world. For now, I just place some enemies because I finished all the enemies for this world, and I place them to just test them and get the feeling of the game. And yeah, the second thing that is already visible, I have worked on creating a dialogue system, and yeah, a nice animation to display the text, and I think it looks very nice. Here it's going to display the characters to which you talk, and the way I wanted to like make it feel, it's like you are kinda talking via radio or something like that. And you can press here you can also skip the text, you can make it appear instantly. And yeah, still a few things to work on regarding the dialogue box, but yeah, I think that's about it. And what else have I made as well? So I encountered a few issues while applying these effects. First of all, I had to move all the UI to be on the actual camera instead of being overlaid, you know, on top of the entire world, like how it's usually done in Unity. And yeah, this also caused some issues, like how the target was traced and how he was sending the information to the other parts of the code, like shooting, like where to shoot with the guns. So yeah, I had to fix that, but I think the effect overall is quite nice. I also worked on the animations for all the enemies in this world. I posted a few shorts about it, and I also created the AI for each enemy. So let's drag a few of them. These are a few, well, the enemies I have worked on. If you check my YouTube shorts or TikTok, you will have seen how I made the animations and how they look. So first of all, I have the Balivier dog. Oh my god, okay, too many enemies at once. Let me get rid of a few of them. Okay, and this is the first one. Okay, that's very unprofessional. The first one is the Balivier dog, which is going to pursue you, and he's going to do a slash attack, like this. Yeah, he also has a counter version, which is more powerful. Okay, putting this back here, putting him here. This is his big brother, I would say. He's faster, he has a longer attack range, and he also has a bigger range to pursue you, so you can't escape him very easily. I still have a few issues which I need to fix. I feel like sometimes it kinda doesn't work very well, so those issues will need to be fixed regarding how the AI works. But overall AI, it's pretty nice. The animation is also quite nice, I will say, and you'll have to run from it. And this is the fat Balivier. He shoots these grenades, which also go like with a volley, so it doesn't go in a straight line, and I think that effect looks very nice, and you have to dodge him and shoot him. He's of course quite slow, and he doesn't reposition as often as the other enemies, but he has more health, and the explosions deal a lot of damage from the grenades. And here we have the strongest enemy in this world. He can shoot and attack with the sword at the same time. Well, not at the same time, but he has different patterns. So for example, this is the sword pattern. He deals a lot of damage, and he's faster in the sword mode. He has like a certain chance to switch between different attack patterns, and he should also soon switch to gun mode, I hope. Yeah, and here he's using his gun, projectiles which are very fast. It's quite difficult to dodge them. I guess if you go in a circle you will be able to dodge, and he also runs and shoots at the same time. And another thing I have been working on, I have purchased a subscription for FL Studio, and I have been making songs in here. I have been learning how to use it a little bit. I didn't really check tutorials and stuff. I was just putting random notes mostly, and I created 3 songs, and yeah, I want to learn more so I can make more music for the game, and probably I'll also use this stuff to make some sound effects for the attacks, and who knows what more. And I have been working on creating the enemies for the second world. I have made various animations so far. I created the cube slime. I think it looks nice. I inspired myself from it from the game Minecraft. You most likely know it. And yeah, welcome the cube slime. And I have been also working on a normal green slime, like this. I think it's very nice. This is what I have created so far, and there are many more other slime enemies to create, and for the second world I'll also make a boss. I have been also working on making a few upgrades. I have bought a new microphone. I have also experimenting more with learning how to stream on Twitch and all those settings, and soon enough I think I will also make a schedule for regularly streaming on Twitch. I'll also make a few more shorts, YouTube shorts, and on TikTok as well. to display in a more fun way how the new enemies work. So yeah, check that out. I'll also maybe make more shorts with the animations I make and stuff like that to keep you up to date with the progress of the game and what I'm working on. Also, a big announcement. Initially, the 5 worlds, I was planning to make it a smaller project, and after finishing the 5 worlds, that will be it. And then I'll move on to the next game I actually want to create and publish on Steam. But I have changed the plans. And now I'm going to expand the scope of the 5 worlds game. It's not going to be a mini game anymore, it's going to be a game. And I'm going to make it a sci-fi shop management game. And I will include various elements. I will keep the arcade style of the game. I think it's quite unique. I guess it's similar to how they did it in Balatro. But it's not with cards, and it's you know, shooting, collecting items, selling the items, all of that stuff. And I plan to implement various elements. I'm taking inspiration from quite a few games, and I want to play even more games that use this thematic to get a better understanding of how they implemented stuff, how they made the things they did there, and what ideas I could use in my game. But I also, of course, I really want to implement my own original ideas to make the game more unique. If you have any suggestions or cool ideas that you will want me to implement in the game, please leave a comment and a like to this video, and I will consider them, I will look over them. And yeah, I also don't want to expand the scope of the project too much, because then I will never finish it. And I don't want to be like one of those devs that starts a game and then he never finishes it. And yeah, again, please check my Twitch. I'll be streaming there. You can see how I work on stuff. I don't really have a schedule for now, but I think in around 3 weeks I will make a more proper schedule. I also have to do work for school and for my internship job, so that takes quite a lot of time. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, a like, and subscribe to the channel if I'm not asking too much. And I will see you in the next devlog and short. Goodbye!